out your mind. Oh, we're not friend. We're not friend. We're not gonna be friend. King play. Who are you? No, I don't know you. Sorry. Wait. If this follow one of my friend, then I'll add him. No, sorry. You have to go. My cousin. I'm sorry, Saki Chugi Kun. Shut up. Mall? No, sorry, I never played video because you never get online. Squash or Gina, I know this one. Sin Paul Pohi, no, sorry, I don't know you. Hannah Good. I don't think I might accept this one. Like, bro. No, I'm not accepting this. Princess Alex. Princess Kid Alex. What the fuck? Oh! This is the account I made. I forgot. Dian King. TJ King. T, no. Hitman, no. Sorry, Raven, you have to go. I might. Please don't. Alright, this is my other account. Look, this is my friend. Bro, I did. I should. I forgot this account. Sorry, Robin. I'm adding. That's me, I guess. I just forget the password of Robin. Robin, no. Who the fuck are you? You never played with me, I guess. I just accept your cousin board. Dear, to look good, you know. Who is his her last friend? Oh my god. Then go. No, you're yeah. I don't know you. Those are my friends. So you want this? Wait, 223 XD? I'm his only friend. Right, I'm not unfriending you because. Oh, just kidding. He's just my friend. 223 XD9. Who the fuck is this? No. I'm sorry. Sanrio. Kakahin to. Hindi sanahin. I forgot to password this account, but I'll never unfriend it. Dick Pro, sorry. account deleted, so I delete this account. I'm just looking at it. I'm not expecting them to follow me, okay? Who's this Jacob? I'll think of it later. Next one. So who are you? Tiffany? I want this, but I can only get it on Roblox. Sorry, but you have to go, Tiffany. I'm trying to clear out my friends, you know. You think I'm being honest with this one? No, thanks. No. No, sorry. I think I just played with this guy. Tinto to 3XD yun. Sino man talagang tunay? Ito! Or ito, sino yung pinakaunti? Okay. Look. Shut your ass up. Wait, I remember this guy. I was playing Brookhaven. I think or Blocks Fruit. I don't know. I don't remember. This evade. She saved me an evade, I guess. Problem, not no problem. Oh, this is my friend Simon. Oh, I know you. Really, sorry, I don't know you. Smoke. Sorry, Smoke, I don't know you. Third. Those who know I don't know you. You know? No, I guess I didn't. I feel good. Ollie, okay. Sorry, I don't know Ollie. Let's friend me first, so it's not my problem. No, sorry, I don't know you. Hi, Camelia. Donna 1 Toko, Donna 321X. They're both, but she never played, so. Goodbye, Donna. We're not friends anymore. Samantha, no, sorry, I don't know you. Nuggets Musa. Don't know you too. Mike Gaming. No, I don't know you either. No. Just no. Kid G. No. Matthew, and name is Lena. Sorry. Christina, no, I don't know you. Min Koi, sorry, I don't know you. Jaira, bye. See you guys on part 2.